guys, what's going on? This is Nasar, aka the real estate Duru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Duru because I actually do this business. Alright, so today we're going to talk about probate lists, alright? How to get a probate list, how to get an evictions list or, a divorce list or, some type of specialty list right there, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to a little site, DuruCourthouseList.com. That's on that. Now, when that's loading up, please, man, beat that like button up for me, man. The channel is growing. Let's keep that joint growing in the right direction. Thank you for all of you guys, all right? Guess what? Get a free probate training to find more real estate deals. This training is a quick tutorial to assist with learning the probate process. So what you're going to do, you're going to type your name in there, phone number, email. It's free. I'm already on the list. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to bypass that. All right. So now we're at Duru Courthouse List, also known as Law Clerk on Demand. This is Diana, and she talks about the power of, her list and everything of that. You can scroll through. You can see some testimonials. And look, your frequently asked questions right here. Your probate. How many leads are on each list, right? 35 to 40. Divorce averages 35 to 40. Evictions averages 50 leads. The average number of leads per list varies per county, okay? This is something you got to keep fresh. We all know that people pass every day, okay? So people pass every day. So that stuff is constantly being updated. So if you go after that list, you might want to do that like once a month. Evictions. People are constantly getting evictions. People are constantly getting divorced. So you might want to do this once a month. It's possible, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to order now, right? Because I want to order me a list, all right? So now I'm going to do my county. Let's see. We'll do my county, and I'm going to do add to cart. All right, I'm gonna do one, add to cart. So now it's in my cart, right? So she specializes in Georgia. Let me say that, right? And let me go to this eviction list. She specializes in Georgia. So you might want to do a contact us if you live outside of Georgia and North Carolina, and just to make sure she services your state, okay? Because she actually sends somebody down to the courthouse to pick these for you, okay, and give them to you. What this is a tool to save you your time. This is very tedious. Some and most municipalities, you can get this data for free. In my area of in Charlotte, when people got the eviction information, the way they got it was they sat in the courtroom or looked at the doc list and wrote down the names and then found the properties. This is going to streamline the process. Okay. Secondly, if you want the probate data, the probate is free in most places. Some places do charge for it, but it's extremely tedious. And you have to know what you're looking for. All right. So what this do is it's going to cut out the headache. Now let's go to the eviction list, right? Let me see. All right, I'm going to add that to my list. Okay. All right, looking at that. So we should have, let's see, 2 items in the cart, which we do. Okay. So now I'm going to go to my cart, right? Look at my cart. I got 2 lists. I got the probate list. I got the eviction list, right? All right. Let's read that disclosure. Please note, lead lists are primarily available for the state of Georgia. If you are outside of Georgia, please email to confirm your area is available. Lead lists that are not from a county currently in stock may take 7 to 10 business days to be delivered. New lead lists are available on the first business day of each month. You have it, okay? So you might want to touch base with them to make sure that she can get your state, but this will save you so much time. All right, guys. I'm going to X out of that. All right, now, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to click here to enter your code, right? So let me do my code. I put my code in real estate Duru, one word, okay? Apply my code. I type in all my information. I say $40. So $358 is going to get me an eviction list or in the probate list, right? So what's going to, you know what that means, right? Let me explain to you what that means. That means that I am going to get a list where it's very likely somebody's going to want to sell to me. They're going to want to do business with me because they have some type of product that I can solve, all right? So there is a higher chance of them wanting to do business with me, okay? Now, if you're straight up, totally new, never done a deal before, I'm going to say this service may not be for you. But if you want to use it, this is a tool. If you've done a few deals and you're like, well, I got my list over here, but I do want a probate list, every month, then this can be a great tool to have, okay? So you have somebody who does it for you, so it's automated, all right? So that's how you do that. You go to Duru Courthouse Lists with an S.com. So DuruCourthouseList.com, and from going to DuruCourthouseList.com, you can get to this site. The coupon code, Real Estate Duru, one word, lowercase, you get 10% off, all right? So that's how you do that, and it's a lot easier and simpler. She actually educates you on what probate is. Being that she has a law degree, I'm going to allow her to do it. She does it better than me. So therefore, this is a tool so you can put in your toolbox to get you to more deals, all right? Now, if you're straight out, fresh, new, you're broke, you don't have any money, I don't recommend. I'm not saying you have to use this service. I'm saying this is a tool to help you get more deal flow, all right? I hope this was helpful, all right? So, look, catch me on Instagram, Real Estate Duru. Catch me on Facebook, Wholesaling with the Duru, where we got contracts and assignments in there in the file section. You must answer the questions to get in the group, which is, yes, it's really literally that simple. You got to answer the questions to get in the group. And then we got the cold calling scripts. We have all that in the file section that you can help use in your business. That's free in the Wholesaling with the Duru group. Also, you go to my blog, realestateduru.com. You put your name and your email in. And for putting your name and your email in, what you will do is you're going to get the contracts sent directly to your email in the Word format so that you can use them for your state. All right. As usual, until next time, I wish you much success in your life and in your business. Peace.